Welcome to All Things Finance. If you're in your 20s and looking to build wealth, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll be sharing a step-by-step guide to help you set up a strong financial foundation for the future. Building wealth early on is crucial, as it sets you up for long-term financial success and gives you more freedom down the road. Let's dive in. Step 1, start saving early. The first step to building wealth in your 20s is to start saving early. Time is your greatest ally when it comes to growing your money. The earlier you start, the more you benefit from compound interest. Aim to save at least 20% of your income. This might seem daunting at first, but even small amounts can grow significantly over time. For example, if you save $200 per month from age 25 to 35 and then let it grow without any additional contributions, you could end up with a sizable nest egg by retirement. Use high-yield savings accounts or certificates of deposit, CDs, to earn better interest rates than a standard savings account. The key is consistency and making saving a priority. Step 2, create a budget. The next step is to create a budget. Budgeting helps you track your spending, manage your money better, and identify areas where you can cut back. There are many budgeting apps out there, like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, and Pocket Guard that can make this process easier. Start by listing all your sources of income and your monthly expenses. Categorize your expenses into needs and wants. Needs include rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation, while wants are things like dining out, entertainment, and shopping. Aim to allocate your income in a way that covers your needs, allows for some wants, and leaves room for savings and investments. A popular rule of thumb is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Step 3, build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is essential for financial security. It's a savings buffer that can cover unexpected expenses, such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate, easily accessible account, like a high-yield savings account. Having an emergency fund can prevent you from going into debt when life throws you a curveball. It also provides peace of mind, knowing you have a financial cushion to fall back on. Start small by setting aside a portion of each paycheck until you reach your target amount. Step 4, invest in your retirement. Investing in your retirement early on is one of the smartest financial moves you can make. Take advantage of retirement accounts like a 401k or an IRA. If your employer offers a 401k match, contribute enough to get the full match. It's essentially free money. Traditional IRAs offer tax-deferred growth, while Roth IRAs provide tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Both options have their advantages, so choose the one that best fits your financial situation. The key is to start contributing regularly, even if it's a small amount, and increase your contributions as your income grows. Over time, your retirement savings will compound and grow significantly. Step 5, diversify your investments. Diversification is crucial for managing risk and maximizing returns. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, spread your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Investing in low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, can provide broad market exposure and reduce risk. These funds track a market index and are less volatile than individual stocks. As you become more comfortable with investing, you can also explore other options like individual stocks, bonds, and real estate investments. The goal is to create a well-rounded portfolio that can weather market fluctuations. Step 6, increase your income. Increasing your income can accelerate your wealth-building efforts. Look for opportunities to advance in your current job, pursue further education, or develop new skills that can lead to higher-paying roles. Consider side hustles or freelance work to boost your income. Popular side hustles include freelance writing, graphic design, tutoring, or even starting a small online business. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Etsy can help you find opportunities and clients. The extra income you generate can be used to pay off debt faster, increase your savings, or invest in opportunities that will grow your wealth over time. Step 7, manage debt wisely. Managing debt is crucial for financial health. High-interest debt, such as credit card debt, can quickly spiral out of control and hinder your ability to save and invest. Focus on paying off high-interest debt first while making minimum payments on other debts. Consider using the avalanche method, where you pay off debts with the highest interest rates first, or the snowball method, where you start with the smallest debts to build momentum. Refinancing or consolidating your debt can also help lower interest rates and simplify payments. The goal is to minimize debt and avoid accumulating new debt as much as possible. Step 8. Educate yourself on personal finance. Knowledge is power when it comes to managing your finances. Take the time to educate yourself on personal finance topics such as investing, budgeting, and tax strategies. There are countless resources available, including books, podcasts, blogs, and online courses. Some recommended books include Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, and Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin. Podcasts like The Dave Ramsey Show and Bigger Pockets also offer valuable insights and tips. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed financial decisions. Conclusion: building wealth in your 20s is all about making smart financial decisions and staying disciplined. By starting early, creating a budget, building an emergency fund, investing in your retirement, diversifying your investments, increasing your income, managing debt wisely, and educating yourself on personal finance, you'll set yourself up for long-term financial success. Remember, the key is consistency and patience. Wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Stick to your plan, stay focused on your goals, and over time, you'll see your efforts pay off. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to All Things Finance, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and here's to your financial success.